Hey everyone, let's dive into how you can use Pushcut to create automations for your workflows. Whether you're streamlining your daily tasks or building complex routines, Pushcut can help you make things happen with just a tap or a trigger. So, to get started, first of all, make sure that you updated the app to the latest version. Now, open the Pushcut app, okay? And what you're gonna do, you're gonna be able to see the trigger section or the automation section. This is where all the action begins. Tap to create a new trigger, right? And you're gonna select that notification section you're gonna select this trigger to be in the notification section, right? I'm gonna select the first one right here, okay? So as we said before, right? Decide what you want the automation to do first, and this is where Pushcut really shines. You can create now a notification, right? Let's say for example, go over the files, okay, exclamation point. And basically you're gonna be able right here to enable, make sure that you enable the trigger, and you're gonna select right here the time, right? If you want every day every day 24/7, excuse me. If you want to schedule that trigger to activate every day at certain time, you could just go ahead and say 2 p.m. right to 11. And here you're gonna see the location constraint that's optional. You can just toggle this one on, and when you're at that location, you need to start doing your job or start going over those files. And when you're not at that location, then they basically go in. The trigger will automatically will triggers. So basically it will do its job by triggering depending on what you set out to do, right? And you can see right here the locations, right? You can select location, right? And when arriving at that location, you're gonna see the trigger will just start to go off. And when you leave that location, the trigger also will go off, depending on what you're choosing, right? You can see of course the time constraint, and here you're gonna see only trigger on weekdays or weekends. You can set the time from this time to that time, and in my case I'm gonna say 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. right? Do not repeat for 1 or let's say 5 minutes, okay? And you're gonna see right here delay notification, which is optional. You can just toggle this one on, show after 45 minutes when you're still there, right? Or show after 15 minutes if you're still at that same location, so that trigger will remind you that you need to go over those files. And you're gonna see right here of arrival, show after 15 minutes, right? If you arrived at that place after 15 minutes, they're gonna trigger the notification that hey, you need to go over those files, and basically hit done at the top. And now you added basically the right trigger, so you can focus on your job and not forgetting your priorities. Your workflows can be simple or as complex as you need them to be. Let me know what kind of automation you're building. I love to hear how you're using this powerful tool. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.